Right now we have an experiment that we're setting up for, and we just want to see if we can take the energy from the center of a Tesla coil, run it through water, and light up a light bulb on the other side with a Tesla coil. So let's get a little closer and let's take a look at what we're doing. This wire right here runs to our number 2 coil right here. You can see that we're in water. We're not touching the wires. We're just both put in water. This wire here goes back to the Tesla coil. And as we can see, the wire's not connected to anything. There's the end of it. All we're going to do is we're going to take this whole thing. We're just going to put the wire down the Tesla coil. Now the cap is only there to hold the wire in place. Now, as you can see our setup here, we have 2 Tesla coils. There's our light bulb. And there's our light bulb on the other side. We're just using a PNP Slayer exciter circuit, which is absolutely one of the best circuits I've ever built. Let's set this up. We're going to turn off the lights so that we can see the light bulbs very clearly. And then we'll start the experiment. As you can see, we are at 22 volts and our light bulbs are both lighting up just fine. We're also seeing breakouts on the first Tesla coil. So the water itself is conductive and it will conduct the electricity through it. The more interesting thing is, we're not even connected to the Tesla coil primary or the secondary of our number 1 Tesla coil. It just goes down the center of it. Absolutely beautiful experiment. I'm going to turn back on the lights and give you a close-up view of everything. This is our water right here. Again, no breakout in the water. Right here, we have our Tesla coil resonating. We can actually see our breakout right there from our number 2 coil. Looks beautiful. Wire goes down the center, again, to the water. Over here to the secondary of the Tesla coil. Pretty simple. Is there a lot of energy coming out of it? Well, that right there is 2 feet and it's still lit up. So yeah, there's a lot of energy coming out of this. Right there. So the question's got to be asked, is the energy coming out from one Tesla coil to the next? And the answer is no, they're not in resonance together. So the one on the right resonates at 320 kilohertz. The one on the left here resonates at 340 kilohertz. So they are not in resonance together. If we remove the water, this Tesla coil on the left will not light up the light bulb because they're not in resonance together. However, does the electricity pass through the water, which is the main point of the experiment? And the answer is yes.